G'day, I'm Sienna from Tesla Down Under. We want to wish everyone a safe and happy Easter. In this video we're going to show you the Easter eggs in the Tesla Model 3.
To access the toy box, simply press the app launcher icon, followed by toy box as shown. You can also access the toy box by pressing on the Tesla symbol and scrolling down like so.
Inside the toy box you'll find 7 different Easter eggs.
But before we see that, I want to take a moment to thank those that have already subscribed to the channel. It really is appreciated. And if you're new, click the subscribe button and bell notification to automatically get notified of new content and help grow this new and exciting channel.
Here you have access to Sketchpad. Here you can change the colour right on the screen. And you can even publish your works to Tesla. Next we have emissions testing mode. Simply select the whoopee cushion. Here you can fart on demand. You can change your fart. You can move the fart whoopee cushion around the car. And you can even fart on turn signal. It's bound to keep the kids entertained for hours. Next in the toy box we have Santa mode. Here you can see the vehicle is turned into Santa's sleigh, and Run Rudolph Run will automatically start to play. Unfortunately you won't be able to hear this due to copyright. If you're not feeling jolly, say,
Ho ho ho, not funny.
and just like last time, the car will automatically turn into Santa's sleigh. But instead of playing Run Rudolph Run, this time it'll play the more somber Grandma Got Run Over by a Reindeer. Next we have Mars for those looking to drive their Tesla on the red planet. Here you'll see that the Tesla is converted to the Mars rover, and if you press the Tesla logo icon, you'll see that your car is automatically converted into SpaceX's interplanetary spaceship. How cool is that? Next we have tracks for all of those music lovers. Here you can record your own music and get super creative. Let's check out a couple of voice-activated Easter eggs.
Keep Tesla safe.
For those TV buffs, this is from the American animated sitcom Rick and Morty.
Keep summer safe.
See what happens if you rename your car to 42. The name is automatically set to life, the universe and everything. Now rename the car to Patsy to activate the Monty Python Easter egg and watch the foot of Cupid come down.
Next we have romance mode.
Don't get too excited.
Happy Easter!
And last but not least we have Rainbow Road.
Guess what? I got a
We sincerely hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as we enjoyed making it. If you did, click the like button and don't forget to click subscribe. Please note I am not affiliated with Tesla. If you do decide to purchase a Tesla, please use my referral link contained within the video description of all of my videos to receive 1500 kilometers of free supercharging. If you are unsure on what to do, please check out my How to Receive 1500 kilometers of free supercharging video. Catch you later.